Every morning, millions of seniors start their day with a warm cup of tea. It feels safe, comforting, and even healthy. But here's the shocking truth. Not all teas are good for you. In fact, some of the most common teas seniors drink daily are silently damaging the brain, raising blood pressure, and weakening bones. Scientists have now linked several teas to memory loss, confusion, fatigue, and even dangerous nutrient deficiencies. And here's the scary part. Most people think they're doing something healthy when they pour that cup. If you're over 65, your brain and body react differently to caffeine, sugar, and concentrated plant compounds. What was once harmless can now trigger rapid decline. But here's the good news. Knowledge is power. Today, we're going to expose the four dangerous teas seniors should never touch and reveal the one tea you must drink daily to protect your brain, heart, and independence. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to keep and what to cut to turn your teacup from a silent enemy into a healing friend. Quick question. Do you drink tea every day? Drop a simple yes or no in the comments before we go deeper. Tea has been part of human culture for thousands of years. It's celebrated as a source of comfort, warmth, and even healing. Doctors often say tea is rich in antioxidants, good for digestion, and calming for stress, and for many people. That's true. But if you're over 65, things change. Your body processes caffeine more slowly. Your brain chemistry becomes more sensitive, and your bones rely heavily on vitamins and minerals that certain teas can deplete. That's why researchers have been raising the alarm. Some teas that seem perfectly safe for younger adults can quietly harm seniors when consumed daily. The result: trouble sleeping, morning brain fog, confusion that looks like early dementia, heart palpitations, or bones that grow weaker each year, leaving you vulnerable to falls. And the saddest part, most seniors have no idea it's coming from their cup. That's why, in this video, we'll separate the facts from the myths. You'll learn the four T's that can silently drain your memory and strength, and the one T backed by science to restore calm, clarity, and protection. If you've been searching for a simple, natural way to protect your health without expensive drugs or complicated diets, this could be it. So grab your own cup, sit back, and let's uncover the truth about the teas that may be harming or healing seniors. Here's the shocking truth. Not all teas are safe for seniors. Some of the most common ones, the very teas you'll find on grocery store shelves or recommended in glossy magazines, can quietly damage your heart, your memory, and even your bones. Let's go through the four teas you should be careful with, or avoid completely, if you're over 65. 1. Black tea with excess caffeine. Now, black tea itself isn't the villain. The problem is excess caffeine. Seniors metabolize caffeine more slowly, meaning it stays in the body longer. This leads to elevated blood pressure, gives straining the heart, disrupted sleep, which directly weakens memory and focus, feelings of anxiety, jitteriness, and palpitations that can mimic heart issues. Long-term, heavy consumption of caffeinated black tea has been linked to increased risk of heart strain and arrhythmia. For a senior whose body already works harder to maintain balance, this energy boost comes at a dangerous cost. 2. Detox and slimming herbal teas. These are marketed as healthy cleansers or weight loss boosters. But here's the ugly truth. Many of them contain harsh laxatives like sen or cascara. Seniors drinking these regularly may think they're flushing out toxins, but in reality, they're flushing out vital hydration and electrolytes. The risks include dehydration, which accelerates fatigue and confusion, kidney strain, forcing one of your most important organs to overwork. Dizziness and falls, the #1 cause of senior injury hospitalizations. What's worse, long-term use of these teas can actually weaken digestion and bowel health, creating dependency. The quick fix comes with a long-term price. 3. Sweetened bottled teas. These are some of the most dangerous teas hiding in plain sight. A Harvard study found that daily intake of sugary beverages increases diabetes risk by 26%. And bottled teas are loaded with sugar, sometimes as much as a can of soda. What does that mean for seniors? Blood sugar spikes followed by energy crashes, increased risk of type 2 diabetes and worsening of existing conditions, accelerated weight gain, which worsens arthritis, mobility, and balance. Memory decline, since excess sugar inflames brain cells and impairs clarity. Many seniors grab bottled tea thinking it's a healthy alternative to soda, but the sugar turns it into a silent health robber. 4. Strong green tea extracts, concentrated pills, teas. Green tea itself is healthy when consumed moderately, but in pill or concentrated extract form, it becomes too much of a good thing. Research shows that high doses of green tea extract can cause liver strain and toxicity, nausea, heartburn, and stomach upset, increased stress on the kidneys. Instead of healing the body, these concentrated forms can overwhelm senior organs that are already more sensitive. Remember, moderation is medicine. Excess is poison. Each of these teas tricks you by appearing healthy, harmless, or even helpful. But for seniors, they can be silent destroyers of memory, mobility, and longevity. This is why awareness is power. By knowing what to avoid, you take the first step toward protecting your independence and quality of life. Which of these first surprised you the most? Drop the number in the comments so we can see which tea shocked the community. Your answer might help another senior discover the truth. The 1 tea seniors must drink daily. Now that we've seen the 4 teas seniors should avoid, let's flip the script. Because this isn't just about what to remove, it's about what to add. And medical research points clearly to 1 tea that stands above the rest as a daily ritual that protects memory, restores calm, and supports long-term independence. That tea is chamomile. This simple golden flower has been used for centuries as medicine. But in the last few decades, scientists have uncovered just how powerful it really is for seniors. Let's break it down. 1. Supports memory and brain health. Chamomile contains a compound called apigenin. In lab studies, apigenin binds to receptors in the brain that support calmness and reduce inflammation. Chronic brain inflammation is one of the leading accelerators of Alzheimer's and dementia. Research shows apigenin may help reduce oxidative stress in brain cells, slow down the processes tied to memory decline, improve focus and recall in daily life. Think of chamomile as a brain shield. While other teas may cloud thinking or overstimulate, chamomile gently protects neurons, keeping them sharp and resilient. 2. Promotes calm, restful sleep. Sleep is one of the biggest struggles for seniors, and yet it's also one of the most important factors for preserving memory, energy, and mood. Unlike black tea or green tea extract, chamomile contains no caffeine. Instead, it works by relaxing the nervous system naturally, helping the body enter a state of calm for deep, restorative sleep, reducing dependency on risky sleep medications that harm memory. For a senior who's been stuck in a cycle of sleepless nights followed by foggy, tired mornings, chamomile can act like a gentle reset button. No side effects, no grogginess. 3. Protects the heart and digestion. Chamomile is rich in flavonoids and antioxidants that lower inflammation throughout the body. That means healthy arteries and reduced heart strain, lower risk of hypertension-related damage. Soothing relief for digestion issues, from bloating to indigestion. For seniors, where even mild digestive distress can throw off appetite and nutrition, chamomile provides comfort that keeps the body nourished and strong. 4. Bone strength benefits. Fractures are one of the greatest threats to senior independence. And while calcium and vitamin D are the headline nutrients, chamomile plays a surprising supportive role. Preliminary studies suggest chamomile may help increase bone density by regulating hormones that influence bone health. For seniors, this could mean fewer fractures, greater stability, and longer mobility. Imagine drinking a warm cup of tea each night that not only relaxes your mind, but also silently strengthens the very bones that carry you. Chamomile, more than a tea. This isn't just a tea. It's a daily ritual of healing. Every cup brings sharper memory, deeper rest, calmer digestion, stronger bones, and perhaps most importantly, it offers seniors something many feel slipping away: control. The ability to protect your body, mind, and independence, one small choice at a time. Other teas may take away health quietly, but chamomile gives it back. Do you already drink chamomile tea? Or is this something new you'll be trying after today? Comment below and let's see how many seniors in our community are already making this golden tea part of their daily routine. We've talked about the 4 teas that quietly harm seniors, and the one golden tea that can restore health, memory, and calm. Now the question is, how do you put this into practice? The answer is simpler than you think. Let's create your seniors tea action plan. Because health doesn't come from complicated routines or expensive products. Sometimes it's as simple as the cup you drink each morning and each night. Step 1. Eliminate bottled or sugar-loaded teas. Those bottled iced teas or pre-sweetened tea mixes seem harmless. But with 30 to 50 grams of sugar per serving, they put you on a path to diabetes, weight gain, and brain fog. Action: replace bottled teas with fresh brewed herbal or chamomile tea. Add a slice of lemon or a cinnamon stick if you like flavor. No sugar required. Step 2. Limit black and green teas. Black tea and even regular green tea aren't evil. But for seniors, too much caffeine raises blood pressure, worsens sleep, and stresses the heart. Action: enjoy one mild cup in the morning if you love the taste, but stop there. Switch to caffeine-free herbal teas for the rest of the day. Step 3. Skip detox or slimming teas completely. These teas promise miracles: fast weight loss, instant cleansing. The truth: they're harsh laxatives. For seniors, that means dehydration, dizziness, kidney strain, and dangerous falls. Action: eliminate them completely. Nature never meant healing to come in the form of aggressive shortcuts. Step 4. Replace bedtime caffeine with chamomile. This is the most important step. Evening caffeine steals deep sleep and leaves you foggy and drained the next day. Action: make chamomile your nightly ritual. Brew it warm, sit down, take a deep breath, and let it signal to your brain: it's time to rest, repair, and reset. Within weeks, many seniors report calmer nights and sharper mornings. Step 5. Bonus variety with gentle herbal teas. Chamomile doesn't have to be your only choice. Other safe herbal teas bring both health and variety. Rooibos, caffeine-free, rich in antioxidants, supports circulation. Peppermint soothes digestion and relaxes muscles. Hibiscus may help lower blood pressure naturally. By rotating these teas, you keep your routine enjoyable and your body nourished. Imagine this: instead of waking up foggy, restless, or anxious, you wake up calm, focused, and ready for the day. Not because of a pill, not because of expensive treatments, but because of the tea you chose. Your health isn't decided by medical bills or supplements. It's shaped by small daily choices, and the cup in your hands is one of the most powerful. Would you like me to create a full senior tea guide PDF with safe teas, delicious recipes, and the best times of day to drink them? Comment why yes if that would help. If enough of you ask, I'll make it free for our seniors' health community. So here's the truth. Most seniors are losing health not because of age itself, but because of habits no one ever warned them about. For decades, many of us believed that black tea, bottled tea, or even so-called detox teas were harmless, maybe even healthy. But science now shows us that these drinks can quietly chip away at memory, energy, and independence. The good news: you are not powerless. By avoiding just for dangerous teas and embracing the one tea that nourishes your brain, heart, and bones, you can shift the course of your health starting tomorrow morning. This isn't about perfection. It's about small, consistent choices that add up. Imagine waking up with more energy, sharper focus, and calm confidence, not because of a prescription, but because of the tea you hold in your hands. And remember, it's never too late to begin. Every sunrise brings a new chance to heal. Every sip is a step toward clarity, strength, and freedom. If you're over 65, you deserve mornings filled with energy, afternoons filled with vitality, and evenings filled with restful sleep. And it all starts with one simple choice. What's in your cup? If this video opened your eyes, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend or family member who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Seniors Health. Together, we're building a community of seniors who choose wisdom, strength, and longevity, one small habit at a time.